Hello and welcome to Mike's new blog, Church Bell Reviews. Although I realize it must be utterly irresistible to play the Ode to Joy on this epic new instrument that you have inexplicably been granted access to, I am compelled to ask you, do you think Beethoven's Ninth some mere trifle? An advertising jingle, drunkenly penned by Mozart for Baroque-branded tampons? I remind you, sir, this is not some one-dimensional series of notes to be ham-handedly banged out as if you were at a fifth-grade recital so the parents think they've got their money's worth. Human being's single greatest expression of the joy of existence reduced to 15 whole notes. P.S. I will personally break the fingers of the next twat that plays Pachelbel's canon in D in anything other than a canon. And if you do not know the difference, I suggest you get your money back from the McDonald's brand conservatory you crawled out of. I am getting weird in my old age. Holy shit. That is hilarious.